Okay, I'm just going to be honest. My kitchen had gotten completely out of control, and if I didn't deal with it now, it was only going to get worse. This week, I'm doing a full spring clean and declutter of my entire kitchen. So before I could even start decluttering, I needed a clean slate. So the night before I tackled all the decluttering, I cleaned and reset the kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Megan, and this is Moments That Matter with the Purcells. I share real life routines, decluttering projects, and a little bit of everyday mom life here on my channel. And if you're one of my returning viewers, thank you so much for being here today. And if you enjoy this kind of content, I would love for you to subscribe and just follow along with us.
Why don't you go get one of those buckets and put the cards in the bucket? It's in the playroom.
Mommy, get it.
You go get it. Go get the bowl and then you can put the cards in it. What do you want to do?
Take a bath.
You want to take a bath? Okay. All right. Well, Mommy is going to take a break and finish cleaning after the kids are in bed.
I want to take a bath.
You gonna take a bath?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. so I'm going to stop here for the night. I do need to clean the floors, vacuum and mop them, but since the boys are already in bed, I don't want to disturb them. So we've got the kitchen pretty much clean and ready for some decluttering. I will show you all in the morning what these cabinets and drawers look like when we have better lighting. But yeah, now the space is pretty much ready for me to dive into all of this. So I will see you all in the morning. One small habit that really helps me start the day on the right foot is making my bed. It sounds simple, but when I take just a minute to reset this space, it gives me a little motivation to keep that momentum going throughout the house. And honestly, on days when I'm tackling a bigger project like decluttering the kitchen for spring, starting with something small and doable like this helps me feel ready to take it all on. Wednesday. Means you go to school today. Next up was getting Hudson ready for school and out the door. He also wanted to show you guys one of his chores this morning. We've been working on teaching the boys a little responsibility around the house, and he takes his jobs pretty seriously. Where do they go? Okay, go put them in there. There you go. Good job, buddy. Okay, so time for some honesty. These cabinets and drawers have gotten completely out of hand, and honestly, I am a little embarrassed that I let them get this way. But if I'm being real, life gets busy and spaces like this slowly become catch-alls before we even realize what's happened. And you know, I just feel like the kitchen is really the hub of our home. So, you know, it's where we cook, pack lunches, grab snacks, and gather throughout the day. When this space feels chaotic, it honestly affects the flow of everything else. So this is where I'm starting my spring decluttering this year. This has been bothering me for such a long time now, and I am totally finally ready to tackle it. Okay, I got Hudson off to school and Owen is now waking up. So I'm gonna get him settled with some breakfast this morning, and then I'll probably have like an hour to work on this today. Not sure that I will get this done today, but that's just real life. This is just my goal for the week, It is Wednesday, so hopefully it will definitely be done by the weekend because this is this week's video and I have to get it done for you guys. So I'm gonna go get Owen, get him some breakfast, and then we will get started. Oh gosh. Owen! Good morning! Good morning! They're over there in the chair. Good morning! Goody, 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 good, good. You ready to get out of bed?
I'm blue.
Yeah, of course. Are you ready to get out of bed?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get you.
Get me.
Get you. I love you.
Why?
Oh, sweet boy. Okay, I got him set up eating some breakfast.
A big bite.
You took a big bite. Good boy. Just gotta watch some Peppa Pig while I get some work done. I decided to start with the least intimidating spot, which was our Lazy Susan cabinet where we keep all of our to-go drink cups. My first step with every drawer or cabinet is to pull everything out so I can actually see what we have. When things are stacked on top of each other, it's really easy to forget what's even in there. So once everything was pulled out, I just started sorting and getting rid of things we don't use anymore. And as you can see, we have a ton. And so then I will just give the cabinet a quick wipe down before putting everything back in, and putting everything in there in a way that just makes sense. I realized pretty quick that some of the cups in here actually belonged in the Lazy Susan, so I jumped over to the mugs and cups cabinet next so that I could sort everything together. And again, same process here, pulling everything out so I can see what we're working with and give the cabinet a quick clean before putting things back in there. And this is where I realized something. We have too many mugs, like a lot. And apparently I'm not emotionally ready to part with any of them yet. So instead of decluttering them, I decided I probably need to find a better way to store them. And here's just a quick before and after. Yay! So this drawer had just turned into the classic catch everything space. Ziploc bags, random utensils, grilling tools, and things that definitely did not belong together. So this was mostly about giving everything a proper home. And then there
here was Ben's grilling cabinet. This one honestly hasn't been cleaned out in forever, to the point where I think he stopped using things in here because he wasn't even sure what was inside there anymore. Oops.
What I want?
What's that?
It is a KitchenAid mixer. It's kind of sad. You've not seen that since you've been born. 2 years.
I haven't seen that.
Those are really nice. I just never use it. Ah! Okay, so I'm going to have to stop here for the day because I have to get ready and go to work in about an hour. So I got quite a bit done. I am going to empty the dishwasher really quick and put those things away so I can wash everything that was in that drawer or this cabinet right here and this one. I just want to wash it. I don't know how long it's been in there. And so I want to wash them before I put them away. But yeah, I feel good about today's progress so far.
Just want to share a few before and afters of day one. Already everything feels so much better. It's amazing how much calmer a space can feel when everything actually has a home and it's in its place.
Okay, y'all, so this is real life. So the stomach bug hit our house last week with Hudson, and I thought the rest of us were gonna be fine. Dada got hit hard this week. We thought he was doing better. So yesterday he went back to work feeling fine. Well, last night he took a turn for the worse and was up all night. Poor thing. My intention today was to at least get another half of this done, but real life has happened and I had to go to the store this morning, get him some stuff to help him survive the day and get myself ready. As you can see, I'm still trying to do that. The boys are chilling, eating their breakfast, and I am going to at least get one cabinet done. So I am going to, since sickness is the theme of the day, I am going to set a timer for 15 minutes and I'm going to try to get our medicine cabinet cleared out and organized. So just all we have time for today. So we're gonna just, 15 minutes is better than no minutes. So here we go. To show you what we're working with, I'm only gonna do these two. That third one is just like a random, I don't even know, but we're gonna pull this stuff down, go through it, and try to organize it in 15 minutes. Whatever I don't get done, I'll do it later, but here we go. Okay, it took me 3 minutes to empty it. I'm gonna now go through what is expired and what's no good anymore and throw some stuff away. This is pretty bad. I don't know if you can see me. I think you can see me right here, but expiration, February 2018. That was before Ben and I got married. Like, why have we held on to this for so long? Well, I've went through what's still good. It's kind of set up or divided into like the kids and our stuff. I threw away a lot. There's a lot of expired stuff in there, so just fine. So now I literally have 4 minutes left to put this all back, but I need to clean out the cabinet first and put it all back. So 4 minutes, and I think I can do it. always love a good challenge. There's our side. And I want another little basket for the boys' things so we can just pull it out and get what we need and put it back. Looks so much better, and I did it in 15 minutes. Yay! And yes, it is now Friday. This project actually took me 3 days to finish, and honestly, I am okay with that. Sometimes you don't have a full day to dedicate to a project like this, and a little progress each day still adds up. So today I'm finishing the rest of the kitchen, including the Tupperware cabinets, Owen's famous lollipop cabinet, because yes, he is still very obsessed, the plates and bowl cabinets, the boys' drink cups, and a few others. I didn't film every single cabinet, but I'll be sure to show you the before and after of those at the end of this video. He's worried about his lollipops. Mommy's not gonna throw them away. They're safe, okay? Okay. So this cabinet always just gets on our last nerve. So I'm thinking since there is some extra space over here now, I might move their cups and stuff over there just to free up this cabinet, because I mean, look at it. It's like overflowing, and yeah, it looks a hot mess. So I think that's what we're gonna do. This cabinet is the one we use the most throughout the day, so I really want it to be functional and not cause an avalanche every time we open it like it currently does. Here I am just figuring out where everything should live. Sometimes when you're decluttering, you realize the issue isn't actually how much you have, it's just how things are stored. So I did end up getting an organizer actually 2 organizers for this cabinet, and you'll see it here in a second, and it really made all the difference. So here is the before, and after the organizers and moving the cups over, here is the after. Loving it. So it's later in the day, and now we're moving on to Tupperware, which might be one of the hardest parts of decluttering a kitchen. My best advice here is to pull every single piece out and match lids and containers first. Anything that doesn't have a match needs to go. Spring is honestly the perfect time to do decluttering things just like this one, because you're resetting your kitchen or your space for a new season of whatever it is. But for this space, it's cooking, packing lunches, and everything family life. So this is my challenge to you. If you've made it this far in this video, I want you to pick one space in your home and start decluttering it. Whichever one that you look at and you just feel overwhelmed, just do it. Do what I did on one of my days. Start a timer for 15 minutes and then just start decluttering it. You'll be surprised at what you can get done, and then usually that leads to more motivation to keep going. So let's declutter together.
And here's what they looked like before. Looking kind of crazy. And here's what they look like after. Woohoo! So much better and got rid of so much stuff. So now I am tackling the dreaded pots and pans cabinets, and let me tell you, these cabinets have been causing an avalanche every time we try to pull something out. It's been driving both Ben and I crazy. So the truth is we use the same 3 or 4 pots and pans every time we cook. So if we haven't used something in a really long time, it's probably safe to say we're not going to. And then there's the cabinet under the sink, which is pretty much exactly what you would expect. Nothing fancy, nothing Pinterest perfect, but honestly, that's not really my goal. I just want things to be functional and have a place, so it's easier to keep my house tidy. So here's the before, and here's the after. Yay! So there were a few cabinets and drawers that I didn't film while decluttering, but I did take before and after shots, which you're seeing here, so you can see the difference. And honestly, this project feels so good to have done. The kitchen already feels calmer, easier to use, and ready for a fresh start this spring. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this decluttering of the kitchen for springtime. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any more moments that matter. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!